In this video, you will see how to draw inverted triangle in Word document like this. It's very easy. First, click on the Insert tab, go to Shapes and then select the triangle. Press and hold the Shift button on your keyboard and then draw the triangle. To remove the color, go to the Format Shape option, select the option No Fill and change the line color to black. Once this is done, now you can invert the triangle, and to do that, double click on the shape, go to the Format tab here, you will see the option of Rotate, click on it and then select the option Flip Vertical to get the inverted triangle in Word document for your geometry question paper. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out this video if you want to add angles to triangle in Microsoft Word document. See you again in the next one.